Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's seller support escalation process. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, I'll guide you on how to use Amazon's seller support escalation process. First, make sure you're logged into your Seller Central account. Once you're in, go to the Help section on your dashboard. From there, click on Manage Support Cases. Locate the case that you want to escalate. If you haven't received a satisfactory resolution yet, you can respond to the existing case. Just click on the case and reply to the Amazon team's response, asking for further escalation or directing it to a different team if needed. In your response, be clear about why you believe the issue needs further attention and provide any additional details that might help. Amazon's support team will review your request and escalate the case as necessary. You'll receive updates directly in the case log, and you can track the progress from there. And that's it. Using the escalation process is a straightforward way to ensure that your issues are addressed thoroughly. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.